When I'm designing or building a website or producing, I need to ensure that I am using the maximum mental energy that I have available to me. Have you noticed that when you have too much on your plate, by the time you get to 3 p.m., you start to hit like a creative wall? You're struggling to get your juices flowing. The key is to ensure that you align your tasks to your energy levels. So I like to reserve my most creative tasks for early on in the day, like recording videos and editing and creating content. And when I'm going through what I think are more admin, mundane kind of things, I leave them to later on the day because that's when my energy is a little bit more depleted. I don't have to think too hard when you're replying to an email, right? Don't underestimate the power of having a break, a quick walk, a bit of a stretch, a bit of exercise, a bit of stepping, a bit of weightlifting, taking your dog for a walk, or feeding your cats. But when you notice your energy depleting, don't try to jump into a heavy going task because you'll rush it, you'll cut corners, you'll make mistakes. Go and have a bit of a break, feel rejuvenated. But my tip is the things that require full on focus. Get them done in the morning. Get them done when, you're not having to worry about your children coming home from school or whatever else is going on in your life. Because as the day goes on, you start to feel a little bit like, oh, okay, I want to pack it in now. I want to take a break. I want to switch the TV on. That's when you address the mundane, boring tasks.